Hello everyone. Today in this video I will teach you some of very useful Kali Linux keyboard shortcut that going to make your task of using Kali Linux very efficient. Now let's get started. And in this full video series we will use that Kali Linux VM. But if you like another Linux distro and have installed it, then you can also follow us. Okay. Now in Linux operating system, one of the most important thing is the terminal. If you want to be a professional in Linux operating system, then you must have to know using the Linux terminal, because using the terminal you can perform every task faster than graphical user interface mode. So our first shortcut is about opening the terminal. On your keyboard, press Ctrl Alt T together to open the terminal window. Please ignore any command I type on terminal for now, otherwise you will get confused. I will make details video about the commands. Just follow me. On keyboard shortcut, try with me, just press Ctrl Alt T and you will open a new terminal window. Using this command, you can take multiple windows. And using the super key plus arrow key on your keyboard, you can change the location of your window, like this. Now our next shortcut is to take new tab on single terminal. On your keyboard, press Ctrl Shift T to open a new tab on a single terminal. You can also take multiple terminal tab using this command. Okay, now let me show you how to close the terminal tab and the terminal window itself. On your keyboard, press Ctrl Shift W to close the tabs and the terminal window. Now whenever we use our terminal for various commands, the terminal gets full of text. So we have to clear the text every time we need. There is two methods to do it. One is using command and another using keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, press Ctrl L and it will clear your full terminal. Now our next keyboard shortcut is used to increase the font size of our terminal. By default, the text size of our terminal is very small. To increase the font size of the terminal, there is a keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, press Ctrl Shift and the plus sign, and it will increase the size of your text on your terminal. And to decrease the font size, just press Ctrl Shift and minus sign. Our next shortcut is about closing the running process. Let me show you this too. Here using this ping command, I am pinging to my router. To close or end this process or any process, just on your keyboard press Ctrl C and it will end the process. Also you can pause any process using the Ctrl Z command. Now next keyboard shortcut is about autocomplete. Linux terminal is very much intelligent. If you type half of any command, then use the shortcut, then it will autocomplete your command. And not only this, it also show you all the possible command what you might want to use. Let me show you. Let's say I want to change my directory. If I type cd to change directory, then /e and press the tab key, then it will autocomplete the command for me. Also, if I press tab key 2 times, it will show me all the possible command what I can use. Now next shortcut is very useful. Just press arrow key up and down and it will navigate to previous command whatever we used before in terminal. Terminal remember all of this command. Using all of this shortcut, you can use Kali Linux very efficiently. So guys, that's all for this video part. I hope you like this video. So give it a big thumbs up and share this video. And also comment down below if I missed something. In our next video, we'll learn more about using Kali Linux efficiently. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care.